sit at your spot at the table. All of the boys. Oh, look at these 5-star ninjas. I can't even hear. I'll go grab them. Look, did you see how ninja-like they were?
I didn't know they were moving.
I wonder if the girls can be more like ninjas than the boys. Girls, go see if you can be quieter than the boys. Oh, I hear some heavy feet. I think the boys might have won that round. That was pretty good. You guys, I'm going to go grab them for you. Okay? Let me do that. Hey, why don't you sit right here? Sit right here that we can see. Bring your paper. Stand up.
All right, hands should be under the table.
Next time we're going to
Yep.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in the middle.
That's the star.
All right, star. All right, let's finish. You guys do.
So we're going to draw a snowman. How many circles does our snowman have? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start with the bottom. So this is going to be a circle at the bottom of your paper because you don't want it at the top. So wait for Miss Angela and watch. I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to draw a circle at the bottom. That's all. Circle at the bottom. And when you're done with that, put your marker down. All right, good job. Yep. Good job, Mira.
Good. Awesome. Oh,
Circle. Good job, Morley.
Hey.
It's okay. You can do it right here. Do it right here. Circle at the bottom.
Look at mine.
That's okay.
One circle at the bottom.
One circle.
Yeah,
When I see all my markers down, we're going to go to the next step. Nico, do you have your circle? Put your marker down.
Just one. And wait for the next step. Wait
Alright.
Wait
This
for the next
next
step.
circle.
I'm going to draw them too.
Is on top of that circle. So I'm going to draw a circle on top.
One circle.
Okay? Draw another circle. Stack them up. Good job, Caroline. Good job, Adriana. Great job. Beautiful.
Stop.
All right, put your markers down. One step at a time. How many more circles do we need? Just one. Because we have 1, 2, and we need 3. We need 3 circles. So we're going to pick up our marker and do one more circle.
One more.
On the top.
Touch because you stack it on top of them.
There's our circle. Now,
Nope. No more.
everybody put your markers down. When you're done with your circles. It's okay. Everybody's is going to look different. Everybody's snowman will look different. Let's give him a scarf. Let's give him a scarf. I'm going to draw a line. Are you ready? Watch first. Carol. I'm going to draw a line this way and down and make it a rectangle. See what I did? Make it a rectangle like on our reindeer we did.
Scarf.
We're going to make a long rectangle.
Okay, you're going to draw.
Yes,
See if I'm good at this time.
Look, you draw a rectangle.
Look.
Yes,
Drop
I
line this way. And then up and down. Got it. Good. Good job. Put your marker down. Good job, Jackie. Markers down. Markers down. Yes, sir. Okay, we're just going to do a long rectangle. Yes, ma'am. That's fine. Yes, sir, darling. You did good, Scott. Yeah. All right. Are you ready to do another part? Up top, right here. Draw another rectangle. Yeah, you did a good job. I love that you raised your hand. Yeah, just right here. Put it right here. Another rectangle. Good job, Maria. Good job. Love it. Perfect. That's perfect. Alright, when we're done with
Now you
our
draw a circle on top of that one.
rectangle, we have to put our fringes on the end of our scarf.
I'll do a big one right here. Real big.
Our fringes on the end of our scarf.
Alright. Let's do this one.
Like the reindeer.
You good. You're good. Yours is fine. You need to draw.
Just like the fringe, just like the reindeer we did. Put our markers down when we're done.
I'm done.
Alright, put your marker down. Next part is the easy part. Are they ready, Sam?
Yeah, let's just keep moving. That's fine.
Alright, so now we need to put 2 eyeballs. So watch Miss Andrew. What do you think? Markers down. Miss Andrew got the first. 2 eyeballs, man.
River and star.
Circle.
Board.
Circle. 2 circles for eyeballs. Let me see your 2 circles for eyeballs.
I got one.
How many do you need?
2. I got mine already.
Alright, when you're done with your eyeballs, put your marker down.
I got one.
Good job. Put your markers down. Yes, River? Are you done with your eyeballs? Alright, ready?
You got it.
Try our eyeballs. Now, what shape is his nose? What shape is his nose? Triangle.
Good job.
So I'm going to draw a triangle.
Yes, you can.
3
Try it.
sides.
Line, and then make 2 slanted lines. Look.
Good job.
All 3 of you, look.
Good
Look, Cal.
job.
Make a line. I'll do that. Make a line. Right under the eyes.
Good job.
Now make 2 slanted lines like that. Now you got a nose. How about that, girl? That look good? Well, I think we're going to color it different colors in just a second. Because he's got to have buttons too.
Alright, we ready? We're going to make him
Yeah.
markers down. Eyes on me. We're going to make a smile. His smile, watch me. Put your marker down. His smile is going to be circles. Because his smile is made of coal. Draw your smile made of coal. Here's my picture.
I made mine even
Good
scarier.
job.
Look at mine. Yours is my smile.
Good job. Samaya, your dad was watching you. Good job, Morley. Harrison, please sign your chair.
Look at mine.
Alright.
That looks
So we
great.
have our eyes. We
Awesome.
have our nose. We have our mouth. What is mine that's going to be missing? Buttons. They're missing buttons. So we're going to draw
This marker
3
doesn't erase.
buttons.
You want to flip over and start again?
3 buttons.
No, yours is good.
On this
You do
side.
buttons.
Here, you're fine.
River drew a box where he wasn't supposed to.
What?
Okay.
Look
Draw 3 circles. Big. I want a big circle.
That's
Okay?
where your 3
at
buttons.
buttons.
Jonathan, where
That's
your
good.
3 buttons?
Do his buttons for his belly.
Button, button. Alright, we have our 3 buttons. What else do we need? There's one more thing we're missing. Hands. So watch. We're going to take our pencil. We're going to draw a stick out, and then add little fingers. There you go. Let me see those arms.
I'll do the same thing with this.
Stick out. Little Andrew, have a strong the paper, please.
Here.
Alright,
See? Just like that.
Alright, when you're done, put the lid back on your marker. When you're done with your snowman, put the lid back on your marker. Not yet.
Now do a scar.
Sit down. Sit down. We're not done. Lid on your marker.
No, stone.
Alright, Harrison, put the lid on your marker, please. I'm going to give you 3 colors. Who can raise their hand and tell me what colors I'm going to give you? Maverick, what color are you going to give me? Marlene. Black. Caroline, what's the last color I'm going to give you? Red. Everybody's going to get a black crayon. You're going to color. You're going to color your eyeballs. Sarah, wait. You're going to color your eyeballs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to color your eyeballs, your mouth, and your buttons with your black crayon. Eyeballs, your mouth, and your buttons. Please put your lid on your marker. Thank you. Put your crayon down when you're done coloring.
Hey, we put our lids back on the markers. Gotta put your lids back on the markers. Do that right now. Red for your scarf when you're done with your nose. Red for your scarf. Nose is orange. The nose is orange. And then the scarf is red. Perfect! Can you color it in for me? Color it orange. Your name on your paper somewhere, not over your snowman, but I want you to write your name and I want you to hold up your paper. I'm going to come around and grab them. Okay? After that, listen to all my directions, okay? I want you to put your name on your paper, give me your paper, and I want you to go to the rug and bring me the snowman dance. Snowman dance, okay? But you got to put your name on your paper and then give it to me. Okay? Those are your 2 jobs before you can dance. Awesome.
We'll throw the snow,
sir. Go back here.
in the middle of the snowman.
Hey,
Oh, awesome.
back in.
Around
That's good.
the ball.
Back